and I'm back with yet another honest movie review. And if you think I look like a raccoon, this is very heavily inspired by Pariniti's last movie, The Girl on the Train, rather the train wreck that the movie was. Unfortunately, मैं साइना नहीं देख पाऊंगी because यार कोविड का फिर से डर है सबको. But जब मेरे को चांस मिला, I did go and check out Sandeep और Pinky Farah in the theaters. I was the only person and I did feel like such a queen. But I also felt bad for PVR folks. Like for once I didn't mind paying so much for popcorn because I was like यार और कोई नहीं है किसको स्कैम करेंगे. But well, let's get on to the movie.
Excuse me भैया, मुझे दिल्ली से निकलना है. आपको जितने पैसे चाहिए आप मेरे से ले लीजिए.
हमें क्यों मार रहे थे बोल? तेरे साथ मैं भी मरता. किया क्या है तूने?
So this movie is written by Dibakar Banerjee and Varun Grover and directed by Dibakar Banerjee. So in a recent interview, he mentioned how this movie has been in the pipeline for a little over 2 years now. They were ready to release back at the end of 2018, but YRF की पिक्चर थी और उन्हें लगा कि हम वेट करेंगे until Namaste England and Panipat release and become hits, and then in the wake of that we will release Sandeep और Pinky Farah. But it's Arjun Kapoor. Of course, those movies didn't end up being a hit. But they knew कि इतना हम budget नहीं करेंगे, शू शाह हुपला नहीं करेंगे. This wasn't going to be that sort of a movie. He also mentioned कि YRF के साथ जब आप काम कर रहे हो तो of course talent भी you have to pick within the YRF pool, which didn't leave him with too much choice. I mean, director also sort of commands which sort of actors want to work with him. Speaking of YRF, this movie seems like a massive tribute to Sallu Bhai. Right from the bracelet to there's every time the phone rings it plays baby ko bass pasand hai, and also background mein you keep hearing lage 440 volt chhone se tere. Really seems like a whole tribute to him. I don't know if this is Arjun Kapoor's way of trying to get back in Bhai's good books, but Bhai is petty AF. Arjun, you shouldn't be trying anymore. Now coming to the film, Dibakar Banerjee has this very trademark darkness. Darkness not just in the frames with the absence of light, but also in the undertones and what you can expect from the movie. So this movie starts with a chase sequence of sorts where you have these raucous men in the car who are being really loud, really obnoxious, discussing women, being really disgusting, and instantly something happens, like instant karma. Just like kash life aise hoti. But you also get a replay of that scene. You also get a lot of sudden shots. You also get, they're talking and the music's really loud and then it goes mute. And then again, they're being obnoxious and talking with really loud music and overtaking and being boisterous. And then again, it's mute. You know something's coming, but you still don't expect what happens. It starts off with that adrenaline and throughout maintains that pace. क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था कि क्या होगा, like constantly I'm worried about what's gonna happen next, and that pace was wonderfully maintained.
मार यार, मार दे, खत्म कर.
Also dark in terms of satire, क्योंकि whatever hadsa happens, you get to listen to lines like अब बनाओ इनको पाकिस्तानी, and then they're talking to higher ups saying हाँ कल breakfast तक निपट जाएगा मामला, ज़्यादा आप lunch पकड़ो. मतलब it is such a casualty. And there's a reverse chase sequence quite literally, and the way it's shot, brilliant. Like the entire movie, there were all of these scenes which are shot from very different angles to make you feel uncomfortable, and that adds to that angst that you have कि मतलब what is going to happen. And the title, संदीप और पिंकी फरार, आपको लगेगा एक लड़का एक लड़की शायद प्यार में पड़ गए, भाग गए, but it is काफी misleading and confusing, and there's a swap there as well. What's confusing for me was Arjun Kapoor acting. You guys, he is acting. Really. And he's also making an attempt to dance, मतलब quite sincerely making that attempt. He's also bulked up for the role या क्या, but काफी natural, काफी set for that role. I mean, pandemic के चलते, I have risked my life in Corona to go to the theaters to watch an Arjun Kapoor film. Yeah, I mean, reality is stranger than fiction. कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ये दिन ऐसा दिन कभी आएगा. But man, he's really done a good job. So has Pariniti Chopra. जैसे मूवी जाती है, You would think कि she would play like the damsel in distress role, but no, she's anything but that. She's her own person, her own savior. There's that constant fear of, the male savior complex sort of lurking, but no, she constantly takes it in her own hands and is sort of responsible for her own safety. In a lot of scenes, she's all grit and nails and determination, and it's beautiful watching this whole role reversal. There's one scene in which she does not know how to make rotis and he's making it. And there are times when, of course, men being men, talk all over her, mansplain her, or try to put her down, but she's so assertive and constantly shuts them up and speaks up for herself. We get to hear lines like, ये औरतों वाला काम नहीं है, और joke में when the auntie says कि मैं इतने गुस्से थी और मैं घर से चली जाना चाहती थी, but मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे तो मैं कहाँ जाती. And then you also have scenes where misogynistic men pit women against women to suit themselves. But then you have Pari, who takes charge of her narrative and always makes sure that she asserts herself. And then in the end, women come through for women. So that's like such a personal win that you get to see towards the end. It's like women have the last laugh, and that's great. Also, remember I told you about Arjun Kapoor dancing? That literally comes back to save his life. But no spoilers, you'll probably have to wait. It's going to come out on Amazon Prime, so tab dekh lena. So she is a hotshot corporate banker and he is from the Haryana Police Force, and the two of them actually play their roles with such dedication, like it comes so naturally to them. Also remember Bagwati in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara? Tab se leke ab tak I have not seen anyone as attached to their bag as Pari is to hers in this movie. Apart from Pari and Arjun, you also get to see Neena Gupta, Jenny Balawat and Raghuveer Yadav, who's playing this very घमंडी uncle, जो मतलब life में everything can be going wrong, but अपना घमंड नहीं छोड़ेंगे. In the end, he also says lines like surgical strike करो. मतलब कुछ भी अंकल सोच लिया करो, मतलब अपना situation देख लिया करो.
हरियाणा पुलिस
एंटी टेररिस्ट स्क्वाड.
टेररिस्ट
ऊंची है महिमा.
हजार दूंगे.
अचार.
But there are these tender moments also towards the end where you're feeling it, but you don't want to speak it into existence. You don't want to sort of बोल के acknowledge नहीं करना चाहते, but दोनों को पता होता है कि क्या हो रहा है. थोड़ा सा it goes यहाँ वहाँ, but वो संभल जाता है towards the end. And I actually quite enjoyed it and thought it was so much fun. Like, to keep wondering what's going to be happening next. And you get to see a whole other side. You get to see capitalist greed, bankers doing things just to sort of match their numbers, and then how that comes back on them. But mostly for me, what I thoroughly enjoyed was Parinithi's character and how stoic she is and how she's constantly looking out for herself and coming through. I thought that was brilliant, very unlike most heroine characters that we get to see in movies. Parinithi is such a hungry actor. I really hope she gets more roles her way, which let her prove her mettle and actually come through for her. So keep a lookout. Ye movie aayegi Amazon Prime पे, so check it out then. Until then, like, share, comment, subscribe. Karo na please. Thank you. Mask up. Stay safe.